Okay, so you want to go into uploading your customer list onto Peasy. Well, this is actually a very simple thing to do. Now, why would you want to upload your customer list onto Peasy? Well, this is something that we actually highly recommend. And if there's one thing about AI is that if there is more data that it can ingest, then the smarter it actually becomes, right? And how other ways does the AI actually utilize this information is that it can highly curate, sorry, it can curate highly accurate audience targeting later on for your campaigns, and this actually helps to optimize your lead quality, right, that is generated through your campaign. It helps in driving down the cost as well of your campaign, because then later on, once it understands who exactly is, let's say, disqualified customers within your list, right, so then it can actually opt into excluding a lookalike of those who has been disqualified by your business itself, right? These are customers who, or people who are not fit for your product or services, right? You can choose to exclude people like them, right, from seeing your ad. So this will actually help in terms of driving down the cost of your campaign. So when it comes to uploading your customer list, we do highly recommend that you give easy everything, the good customers, the bad customers, customers you don't want, the customers that you want, all that. So first thing you need to do is that, within the dashboard, you just click on contacts. Now over here, I've already uploaded dummy data within this brand profile. But this, what if this looks daunting to me, right? How do I know what I need to upload? Well, that is actually not an issue. All you have to do is just click on import and click on the download sample format here. So now let's just quickly open up this sample format as well, right? Let me just quickly make this a whole lot bigger. Okay, so over here within the sample format, it will ask for the name, email, phone, and status. Now, these three fields are completely mandatory. This too is mandatory in the sense that, if there are no emails, there are no phones, then how exactly do you plan to, how exactly do you plan to create custom audiences and lookalikes? Because given the advertising platforms itself, right, say for example like Facebook, Google, right, they both require this information as well. This is a bare bone minimum. And after that, for the status, now this is for the use of our chatbot, for our AI itself, right, whereby it will need to understand, okay, this customer is in which phase of your business. Are they new customers? Have these customers been reached out before by you? Are they currently in the negotiating phase, right? Are they qualified? Have they been disqualified by your business? Won, lost, all that, right? Whatever you can tell, the more you can tell Peasy, the better. So yes, over here you can see that this is sample information. I'm gonna delete that, and that I am going to copy paste information that I've already pre-filled as in terms of data. In terms of dummy data, right? So over here you can see that we have name, email, phone, and that the status. Again, this too is completely mandatory in terms of an advertising standpoint, and this is mandatory to Peasy itself, right? So hey, now you said that if the AI gets more information, it becomes smarter, it becomes better. It's best that we give more information. So let's put it into a scenario where if you are a fashion boutique, right, and you are generating sales online, so you would want the AI to know that, okay, people who has purchased products from me, right? I want you to know what kind of product they bought, what is the price of their products, and what is the color of the product, not an issue, right? This is something that you can also tell Peasy in order for Peasy to further understand your customers and be able to curate highly accurate targeting, audience targeting as well within your campaign. So within here itself, so you can see, okay, John has bought a green color shirt, green shirt at the price of 50 ringgit, right? So now all you have left to do is to just upload the file onto PZ. Now do take note that PZ only takes a CSV file. It does not accept any other format such as your standard Excel formats or your workbook format, right? So do take note of that. So yeah, that is pretty much how you upload a customer list on to PC.